This message is for 6th, 7th, and 8th graders regarding homework and assignments, projects, so forth. Once you have made a copy of your slides and shared it with me, that is all you have to technically do as far as turning things in. Your assignments are on Google Slides. So everything that you type in there, every picture that you insert, I get to see it so that it's a one-stop shop kind of thing. There's nothing else you have to do unless I specifically ask you to do that. So maybe sometimes I'll need you to actually email me something more. But you just have to assume that if I don't tell you to do something, all you have to do is just follow the instructions that are in your Google Slide assignment portfolio. So I hope that makes sense. Again, just do your stuff on the slides, and then you can just log off your computer for the day. I see everything. Another thing I want to make a point. Don't rush your work. I can tell if you're just doing bare minimum. I've been teaching over 20 years. I also can tell if you're just copying, pasting stuff from the internet rather than actually using the notes that I provided for you. As a teacher of middle school, I want to teach you specific definitions of things and introducing artists and so forth. So please don't do just bare minimum, okay? Push yourself, but here's the thing, you need to read directions better. I can tell that some of you are not even bothering, so please. All right, hopefully that is pretty much all the things you need clarified, but in case there's more, email me. All right, bye.